Okay, so we're going to continue on with lesson 4 because I totally don't know what happened. I spaced out and forgot about number 6 through 9. So here we are. So we're going to use this picture and we're going to label the unnamed points. Okay, so all we're doing is using the reflection line to figure out which ones we're going to label what. So here we go. This angle is labeled, so it reflects to this one. So C is here, this would be C prime. B is here, this would be B prime. A is here, so this would be A prime. Because this angle on the the top is 150 degrees, this angle down here would be 150 degrees as well. Okay, here we have a reflection. Okay, K and I are labeled. J prime is labeled here. So J prime is here, so this would be J. I is closest, so this would be I prime. K is furthest away, so this would be K prime. Now we also have to do the angle measures and the lengths. So the closest angle is the same because reflections preserve angle measures. So this one here is 28 degrees. And angle K prime was 31 degrees. So this angle right here would also be 31 degrees. The distance between I prime and J prime is 7 units. So the distance between I and J would also be 7 units. Okay, on this figure we have H and I don't know what letter we want to call that. It's supposed to be an F, but it doesn't look like an F, so I'm going to make it an F. Okay, this is H and F, so then we would reflect them over. This would be F prime, and this would be H prime. And the 4 units is between H and F, so up here between H prime and F prime, this would be 4 units. Now we have D. It is on the line of reflection, but because it is on the line of reflection, it's not going to quote-unquote move. It's going to stay there, and all we're going to do is rename it D prime. Okay, so I just did all of this, which answers these questions. Okay, so now we're gonna use that information and answer these questions. The measure of angle JKI, J to K to I. So when it's in that order, okay, it's talking about from J to K to I. So it's looking for this angle right here. So angle JKI equals 31 degrees. Angle KIJ, so from K to I to J, we're looking at this angle right here. So angle KIJ equaled the 28 degrees. And then angle ABC is again the 150 degrees. And we know those angle measures because reflections preserve angle measures. We talked about that in the summary. Okay, what is the length of segment? And when it says reflection, FH like this, it means F prime, H prime. So segment F prime, H prime is the 4 units. And we know that because reflections preserve segment lengths. These properties, oh, you guys couldn't see that. These properties are going to be very important that you know them. And then this last one, it says, where's the location of reflection D? Okay, that just means D prime. Okay, D prime is on D. It did not, quote unquote, move because it is on the line of reflection. And again, we have some summary here. Okay, a reflection is a basic rigid motion. Okay, a reflection moves lines across the line of reflection. You can make a line between an original point P and P prime to form a segment, and then that line bisects the line of reflection. So bisect just means it cuts it in half. So the distance from P to P prime is cut in half by the line of reflection.